Look at my shirt. It's so big. Hi guys, this is Aishwarya. Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a haul. जैसे कि आपने देख ही लिया होगा टाइटल में, लेकिन this is going to be a very disappointing haul because I'm already disappointed. But we're gonna try our best to keep our spirits up, and so this is kind of like an Instagram store haul because they have a website, लेकिन you know आजकल काफ़ी सारे Instagram stores हैं. So these are like the kind of Instagram stores that have very affordable clothes. This popped up on my Instagram, and like any other girl I saw कि अरे बाप रे 200 का टॉप मुझे चाहिए, तो मैंने ले लिया और अब मैं बहुत पछता रही हूँ. I'm gonna tell you. So I got this package. So this is an Instagram store / website. They have a website as well. It's called fashchic_15. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. You will see the screen sharing here. Surprisingly, they have very affordable clothes, like 200 full sets for like $5.99, and that's pretty hard to get these days unless you are street shopping, because this that I'm wearing right now is like $150 or something, and this was from street shopping and it's super quality. I love it so much. This is like a very big baseball shirt kind of theme going on here, so that's why I was disappointed, because I have a lot of affordable clothes and these were not up to my standards, but I cannot complain much. Let's just start and then you'll see what I'm talking about. I received the package and this is it. Okay. By the way, I ordered 5 things and the message that I got said the package includes 5 things. When I got this, I was like, excuse me? This has 5 clothes? One was a sweatshirt and a sweatpant. I'm pretty sure even if it's a very thin quality, how will they put it in this? How? Like, किस तरह डालेंगे ना यार? So I thought it has 5 things that I ordered all together, but the package was this small. It's literally like मेरे face जितना ही है. I was still fine. I was like, ठीक है, कोई मसला नहीं है. There were no single packaging. It was all in this. Nothing in there. So only 4 stuff. So that first thing disappointed me because obviously I did not see my sweatshirt and sweatpants, and I was most excited for that because it was only $5.99 and I wanted to see if it's actually, you know, good product, how the picture shows. You know, उन्हें contact करने में और इन सब में बहुत ज़्यादा सरखपाई होगी, इसीलिए मैं बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं थी क्योंकि मुझको नहीं करनी थी वो सरखपाई. फिर I had to message them. अभी तक मुझे जवाब तो नहीं आया है, so I'll let you guys know अगर मुझे आ जाएगा जवाब कि वो sweatshirt का क्या हुआ, because I already paid for it. First thing that I got was this top right here. Pink cute top, but this was not how it looked in the pictures. I will add the picture here. This, okay. ये तो वीडियो में फिर भी ठीक लग रहा होगा, लेकिन असलियत में तो ये बिल्कुल अलग दिख रहा है. It's not exactly how the picture is. I will show you the close-ups. Look at this print. It looks like somebody just put a slate on and just painted it. The material is fine. Know that it's very cheap and I shouldn't complain, but जैसी फोटो है वैसे तो होना चाहिए ना. So if you ask me, I'm gonna give this like 2 out of 5. Because the pictures look awesome, so I thought, ooh, I should also get one in black, and then I got the same one in black. Now because this is black, this looks fine. Print again is not up to the mark. Looks like किसी ने बस कर दिया है, but ठीक है. ये मैं पहन सकती हूँ. ये वाला I can wear it क्योंकि ये black है और black में ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता. Slip is very big on me. This slip is big on me, so I'm gonna have to alter it. Looks okay-ish. This, I can wear this under a jacket or something. It's cropped, by the way. There's no shape or anything, so I might have to alter it. Just because this is black and doesn't look bad, I'm gonna give this like 3.5. Next thing, a much better, something that did not disappoint me as much, is this top. This is just a plain white tank top. Material of this is better than that one. I actually like the material. So this one was actually good. This, I'm going to wear it. The straps are so weird shaped. Like, it's this thick. It should be at least this much, but there's just no shape. I'm gonna give this 5 on 5 because it's just $1.99 and the material is good. Okay, the next one. I was actually excited for this. Now, in real life, in the camera, maybe it looks good, but I'll show you the close-up. The print is not good. Again, you can actually see that somebody just put a slate on and just painted on it, which is fine. You can do that, but the paint should be good at least. The paint is so thin that you can see the tint of navy blue underneath. How a watery paint looks, exactly like that. Material of this is okayish. It's thin, but it's fine. It's not bad. Okay, I would say this is definitely my favorite one. Not quality wise, look wise, I like it. I'm definitely gonna wear it more than 5 times because I like how this looks. Only thing that I don't like is the print. So I give this 4 out of 5 just because of how this looks. Okay, so this was my haul. Little disappointing, I know. But it's okay. I mean, I know that it was cheap. I know it was a risk. But I thought there's like a lot of people are buying from it and it's on the top. It looks like people are liking it. I thought I should give it a try. I did, and I actually do like 2 products. I don't like the other 2. So you can get few stuff which is good. I did not see any reviews on the website, so it was very hard for me as a customer to understand if it's good or bad. But I did message them. I did not get a response. If I get my set, I'll give you guys an update. I have ordered few stuff from SSS. So जब उसका haul में करूँगी, उस haul में I'll give you updates about the other set जो इसमें मैंने मंगवाया था पर नहीं मुझे मिला, कि क्या हुआ उसका, पैसे वापस आए कि नहीं आए. I'll tell you guys all the details in that video. So yeah, this was it for today. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.